Hey, morning people, what's going on? Here for another video, here for another vlog. Yeah, today's video is about the traction bar. Put on a traction bar a couple months ago. Never had it adjusted, just put it on, no cleaning or anything. So I'm gonna take it off today, clean it, spray it, do everything, you know? So take it on a journey, but pre the car dirty. Look away. Taking it through the wash process again. Well, a joke. Not taking it through the process, but look at the magic trick I'm learn. Upon a trick here.
MRC Records. Yeah, people, so there looks some spray paint. I talk about the traction bar. Traction bar basically used to control the power, control the torque, control the 60 foot, you know, everything like that, so you can adjust wheelbase, you know, get the power down to the ground as efficiently as possible. So today we're gonna take it off, clean it up. I'm gonna say we install it before. Never do any adjustments to it or anything, so maybe next week's video character alignment and do some adjustments. So I'm saying today we're gonna take it off, clean it up, you know, make it look good. Alright, so I don't know if you can see from here. This is the traction bar. The link that goes to the control arm. This is it, you know, kind of old and rusty. So just follow me with the process, pulling it down, taking it out, cleaning it up, spraying it, you know. Let's see how it goes. So basically The traction bar is connected to the front of the control arm here. Comes all the way down, bolts up to the front of the subframe. No rod support. So this is where it bolts up. So we're gonna pull these bolts here, pull this one there, and this set right here.
Tifa, the queen. Tifa, the queen. Tifa, the queen.
So basically, I suppose I wonder how the round here. So, well, based on the hint in the last video, some person got it correct, some didn't, but some were close. So, this is it. Custom made fiberglass trunk. Well, fiberglass part for the glass part of the trunk. I have the base piece also, I'm going to show you soon. But this was a surprise. But I have one more surprise. Never post this one still. And this is it. I'm on an X-bar. So basically the X-bar helps with the brace around the back, keeps the structure sturdy for rigidity and everything. So we'll install this today and so it looks. Alright, but before I install the X-bar, there are two ways. My way first was to take off the trim panel pieces, which are these pieces.
because the seatbelt part where the mount is, this is the mount that came with the X-Bar. So the seatbelt part is for the box, for the rear seatbelts are right here. So some persons actually cut a hole inside the trim piece here, or some person will take it off. So I actually took mine off because I didn't want to cut the trim pieces. So yeah, I prefer to do it this way still, but it's up to you whichever way you want to do it. This is how it's supposed to look. We're not actually quite finished as yet. Just do some adjustments on each side, and then that will basically be it. But alright, so basically, tell me what you think it looks. Fiberglass top piece for the trunk, and also lower piece. Yeah, you don't know Team Raspberry, lower piece. So basically, as I put this on, most persons with EG hatches know pull the spoiler and then take out the glass. But for now, I'm going to show how it looks with the top piece alone. And I guess when I erase or so, or whenever, I can put it on. But for now, I'm going to put on the top piece and show you how it looks. Alright everyone, at the end of this week's video, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. But if you notice that we're starting from the front of the vehicle, traction bar, engine brace, came to the X-bar and then down to the cape. So let's give you a bit of structure of how to install stuff, you know. So let me know what you guys think. So until next week's video, I'm out.
Sing it down music.